This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for June 11th, 2007. My name is Ivan Caesar, and this is the news. An expert on inflation said the Federal Reserve does not have an itchy trigger finger to hike rates. Instead, Don Ratzak, an economic consultant to Morgan Keegan, said inflation has been like a lumpy chair in which one can get comfortable. Core consumer prices increased 2% year over year in April, making it the first time in 14 months that core prices have been inside the Fed's unofficial target zone of 1 to 2%. Iran's oil minister said OPEC has no plans to release more oil into the market ahead of its policy meeting in September. He told reporters that there is adequate crude oil in the market and commercial oil inventories are at high levels. For stocks, AirTrain Holdings has extended its latest bid for Midwest Air Group to August 10th to allow time for a new board of directors to be certified and consider the offer. AirTrain has offered cash and stock worth $389 million for the Milwaukee airline, which has repeatedly rebuffed bids for a takeover. IBM has agreed to buy business software and services provider Telogic AB for about $5.2 billion in cash. Telogic said its board unanimously recommended IBM's bid. Telogic, whose staff of around 900 makes range of business software, would become part of IBM's Rational Software unit once the deal is closed. Carnival Corp said it exercised an option to buy a new ship for its Holland America Line brand. The 86,000-ton, 2,100-passenger vessel will be built by an Italian shipbuilder for an estimated 525 million euros. The ship will be the sister vessel to the Eurodam, which is under construction and set to debut next summer. The two ships will be the largest in Holland America's fleet. Coors Brewing, the U.S. subsidiary of Molson Coors Brewing, said it will start a cash tender offer to buy up to $450 million of its 6.38% senior notes due in 2012. The offer will expire on July 10th. Separately, Molson Coors Brewing said it would offer $500 million in convertible senior notes due 2013. Joseph A. Banks closed the year's first quarter profits rose 43% to $8.4 million or 45 cents a share. Net sales for the quarter rose 14% to $129.5 million, with same-store sales up 3.8%. Analysts were expecting earnings of 41 cents a share on revenue of $129 million. Duckwall Alco Stores said it swung to a loss in the first quarter, hurt by higher operating expenses. Losses for the quarter totaled $2.2 million or 59 cents per share on a continuing operations basis, which excludes results from businesses that have been or are in the process of being sold. Losses totaled $3.6 million or 57 cents per share. Scheduled economic reports for Tuesday include the Retail Chain Index for the week of June 9th and the Treasury budget for the month of May. As for earnings reports for Tuesday, we have Commerce Energy Group, Eon Communications, Finosar, Stewart Enterprises, Sapient Corp., and RBC Bearings. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap.